Boozhoo, Nimin Wayne Mo Biajaig, Miss J and Dejinakaz. This week is week 10 of our second step social emotional curriculum. In week 10, we're going to be talking about same or different feelings. And your child will be learning to tell what is the same and what is different about two things. And that it's okay if people have different feelings about the same thing. This will help your child understand that people may have different feelings about the same thing, and this helps your child get along with others. So at home, you can play a little game called, let me get my glasses on. We're going to play, do we feel different or the same? We're going to pretend that it's time for, let's say, bed. It's time to go to bed. Tell me how you feel about it. Then I'll tell you how I feel about it. Do we feel the same or different? Now, if it was at my house, my kids would probably say, I don't want to go to bed. And I would say, but I do want to go to bed. I'm tired. And so then you can talk about, we all have to go to bed, but we have different feelings about that. So this is a photo that your child's going to see in school this week, and you're going to get one of these copies at home. And this is Chantel and Marissa, and they're both riding the same bike. You can look at Chantel's face. How does she look? She looks happy. How can you tell? And then your child can tell you why she's happy or why they think she's happy. And then you say, well, look at Marissa. How does she look? She looks scared. Well, how can you tell? And then they'll be able to tell you why they think that Marissa's scared. And so that's a little thing that you can play at home. And now let's find things about us that are the same or different. So you can say to your child, let's see, what color eyes do you have? What color eyes do I have? And then maybe your height, and maybe things that the clothing that you have on, or your hair color. So you can just talk about same and different, and with different feelings. So that's week 10 of our second step curriculum. Remember, if you have any questions at all, give me a call at school. But I hope this is helping at home. And yeah, the children are just learning so much here at the ECC, so we're excited. And we thank you for sharing them with us. Gigawapamin.